that feed. Out here first thing this morning, been a lot of albies around recently, just really finicky. We're out here just casting the little sporadic feeds. Seem to be chewing a lot better than they had the last couple weeks. Getting them on the olive color. That's a good one. Out here in Vineyard Sound this morning, targeting the albies. It's been slow the last week or two. The fish have been really picky, decent amount of fish, but seems like they really moved in this morning. Sporadic feeds, pretty much up and down Vineyard Sound, and they're chewing this morning. Seems like they moved on to bay anchovies and peanut bunker opposed to the silver sides they've been on the last couple weeks. So getting to the albies pretty good this morning out here. Throwing the epoxies in olive color seems to be the ticket. And got this beautiful guy this morning. We're gonna send him back. Switched over to the fly rods here. Pretty much as many as you wanted this morning on the epoxies, throwing light spinning gear. And fly rod's been no different. Pretty much fish almost every other feed we pull up to. So these fish are on peanuts and bay anchovies. So the olive epoxies are working really well this morning. We switched over to the fly rods this afternoon for a little fun, and the fishing still is going non-stop here, and we're coming up on noon, and the bite is showing no signs of stopping. So pretty big change here in the sound from the previous week here. Looks like quite a few fish have showed up.